Did you like it, Stitch? Did you like it?
Hey, yeah.
I got on her nose. Is that yummy ice cream, Cici? Her tongue's like all over the place. Did you like it, Stitch? Did you like it? I never had one of these, have I? Oh, you can't take that bit. Gonna eat the green bit. Good morning. You're so pretty. Good morning. It's 9-9. Basil's so tired. Whee! Good boy, Gucci. Hold on. Here. Yes. Yes, come on. Come on. Come on. Yay! Come on. Come on.
Oh my gosh, that's hilarious.
Hi. You can come here. Come on. Yuki, are you swimming? Are you swimming? We're swimming. Сегодня будет туса. Я сегодня напьюсь, сегодня будет туса. Я сегодня напьюсь, сегодня будет туса. Я сегодня напьюсь, сегодня будет на-на-на-на-на-на. He's so cute. I know, there's no food. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Kitty, good
Hello.
boy.
He's a little cutie.
Hi. 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 Hello.
Want doggy ice cream? Oh wow! It's doggy ice cream! Get a state of my bloody trousers.
Ernie in the sink! Ernie in the sink! Ernie is in the sink!
Willie, come on! Come on, Willie! 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 In the fiesta? Ay, 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 ay! Do you hear all the music? Woohoo! What are you doing? You're naughty. You're naughty, puppy. You're naughty. Oh, no, sir. I don't think so. No! Go, Obi, go! Go! Hi! 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 Would you like belly rubs? Is that what you're trying to tell me? Is it? Is that what you're trying to tell me? Oh yeah, oh yeah.
What are you doing? Poopy? Does that feel good? Does that feel good?
Clever boy.
Baby. Hi. What's up? What's up? Mimi. Are you enjoying yourself? Oh, buddy, don't stick your whole face in.
Come on. Come on.
Splish splash, I was taking a bath. Okay. Right? You good boy. Diddley.
Oh, hi there, friend. It's me, your human. I take care of yous, cause you're a little baby. Let me give you your boobs. Boop. That's right. Boop. What?
Diddley. Back time. Sim Sim. Sim Sim. Good boy. Good boy.
Oh, oh, baby, what is it? Yeah, you like it.
Are you relaxed? You new. Hi. This. You're such a good boy. Good boy. Sao lại?
Sophie. Sophie. What you doing, girl?
cute ah. Oh my god! Winnie! Her head is squashed!
Hey. How are you?
Hello.
Are you a good bird? Can you fart? Good bird. Is my baby boy swimming? Yeah. Oh.
哎，你刚练的出来吃了？你干嘛？
George, did you enjoy that?
He's wobbly with her first bath.
It's okay. It's okay.
Just a little.
You taking a swing? Are you taking a swing? Whoa. It's one of your
Nuova autista alla guida!
Bobby bad influence.
Look at it!
You were making the biggest mess of your life.
Have you come to say hi? Have you? Have you come to say hello? Oh, so beautiful. Yeah.
I think somebody had a good run. Did you have a good run, Mom? Huh? Did you have a good run? Look at that bird.
Hi, puppy. What do you think of the outdoors? Do you like it?
Good boy. Good boy. You're so smart. You're so smart and cute.
Jack, do you hate your haircut? Do you hate it? Yeah. You got it? Yeah.
Yeah, she is. She's flicking her feet. Are you swimming? Clever girl. Clever. Mm-hmm. Come on, Maverick. Come on.
Lifestyle of the rich and famous dog. I'll take my drink delivered to me, please. I'd like some snacks. Good lad. There you go. A little bit of ice cream.
好玩啊。
What was God thinking when he made you so damn thick, so damn scrumdiddlyumptious, huh? What was he thinking when he said, look at this one, we're gonna...
Jasper, what are you doing?
He's going to sleep.
Sit. Sit.
Higley! Hey, bud. Here, Chippy! Come on! Luna, come! Good girl!
Oh my god!
He's so calm.
Oh my god!
Look how calm.
Oh my god!
Where'd it go?
It's gonna come over to me.
You want your belly rubbed? Do you want your belly rubbed? Oh my goodness, does that feel good? Does that feel good, buddy? Yes. You just needed. You like his feet? You like it?
Stay. Stay. Go. Good girl. Good girl. Sit down.
Hi. You can come here. Come on. make a hole. A hole for what? More digging.
Come on, buddy. Woohoo!
For Israel, this body of water. Caleb.
What's the Dead Sea?
Yes.
British what, 1600?
At the beginning.
What are you doing? You can't do that. You're gonna get hurt. No.
Dogs first puppuccino.
Remy wants to play with you. After stop. Excuse me. See? Good boy. Good boy. Hey, hey, hey. Good boy. Oh, 太太。哟，游过来啦！哟哟，上不来，绑上不来，走走。Maddie, come, come.
Dogs first puppuccino.
Na 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 na. La vaca Lola tiene cabeza y tiene cola. Yeah.
Luca. Oh. Good boy.
What are you doing? Oh, look at me. Good boy.
It's okay.
Hey, Chris, were you taking a nap? Yeah, same. Same.
Night was a blur. I swear, this last.
Come on, Diesel. Come on. Come on, little buddy. Come on, little buddy. Come on, Diesel. You got it. Yeah.
Oh my god!
He's so calm.
Holy god!
Look how calm.
Oh my god!
Oh my
Oh,
God.
Shaggy!
That is a kid.
Oh my god.
Should we wake up? Should we wake up? He does love it. Yay!
Mom, my belly is rumbling. I hunger, Mother. I hunger.
Case of the zoomies. Where's Julia?
You need a chill pill.
Ricky!
You messy boy.
Oh my God.
Okay. Yep.
Oh goodness. Hi, Beans. Hi. Oh, hi, Beans. Oh,
Surf, surf. Good boys. Ride the waves, Owen. Ride them. Ride. Patient.
Na 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 na. Yay!
Quieta.
Steady.
Happy birthday to you.
come on. Revy, come on.
We love the kitty. I just don't know if she likes you.
What are you doing? What are you doing? Nova.
House Speaker Paul Ryan says he doesn't believe in separating families, but that he wants to keep America's borders strong.
We made it extremely clear. We want to keep families together, and we want
Oh, thank you. Oh, thank you.
Come here, Leo. Come here. Sit. Down. Down. Good boy.
This is fine, right? Like, this is cute. But right here, ready? This is cute too. There's nothing wrong with this.
You're such a good boy. Hello, pretty girl. Hello, pretty girl. Hello, pretty girl.
play. Come on, guys. Look at the tail. He wants to play. Oh.
Look at my happy guy. Oh, just a happy guy. Oh, just a look at that the happy dog.
Can you use them for a swasher? Can you use them for a flosser? Do your ears flip flop? Do your ears?
Excuse me, miss. Excuse me. Hey, excuse me. Can you stop being so cute?
Go, popcorn. Go. Good boy. Hilarious. So that's Axel, Romeo. Jump up. Where's Kai? You can swim? Good job, Boo! Come here. Back.
Yeah, do you want some broccoli? Do you want your broccoli? What's this? Do you want some broccoli? You do. Sit. Sit. Good boy. There you go. There you go.
Where are you going?